What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share a working promo code for Prizepicks.com. You can use right now and get amazing discount in Prizepicks and get amazing bonuses on Prizepicks by using promo code which I'm going to share you right now. But before that, if it is working for you, just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, because it takes a lot of time to find working promo code because the codes are expired really fast. And if you want more code for Prizepicks, simply go to YouTube and search Prizepicks promo code /coupon box, and you are able to find my videos which I created in past. So simply do one thing: go to YouTube channel and also watch that video, and you will get amazing discount too after watching this video. And here is a two working code you can use right now, and if it is working for you, just appreciate my work by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. So this is first code where you can double your account by simply using this code. And if but the requirement is that you need to deposit at least $100 for that. Okay, and this is second where you will get a bonus if you deposit $10 or more. It is totally depend on you how much you are deposit in your Prizepicks account, then you will get bonus according to that. So you can use these two codes which is currently working right now, and you will get amazing bonuses after using this code. And if it is working for you, just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if it is not working, let me know in the comment section below, because it expired really fast. And if you want more, please comment down below so I'll create a new video for you. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more.